Tieliu is a public company, was founded in 1985, Hangzhou. Now is a leading auto parts manufacturer in the world. In China, Germany, and India, Tieliu has owned many intelligent factories, meanwhile has established sales centers, both in America and Belgium. Tieliu keen on supplying high-quality and innovative auto parts, like clutches and torque converters. The products are widely used for all kinds of commercial vehicles, passenger cars, tractors, forklifts, and constructions. The famous brands like Tieliu, Delsa, Westlake, Zitian, and Geiger is owned by Tieliu and sold to all over the world. In Tieliu, the industrial internet, the big data analysis, and the cloud computing technology is widely covered to all supply chain and ecological chain. We consistently exploring the intelligent production revolutions to improve products' quality, which is guaranteed by the intelligent connection involved in every process. In Tieliu, every component is well treated in each process. Every process is strictly and controlled by QC system, and every worker is well protected by safety working environment. Tieliu wins lots of awards from government and OE customers. We own more than 200 of patents. Also is a drafter and designer for Chinese clutch industry standard and manufacturing standards in Zhejiang province. Our research testing center is certified as a CNAS laboratory and Zhejiang Provincial Enterprise Technology Center. Our own engineer team always focus on clutches, frontier technology, keep iterating and creating the products with advanced precision machinings and testing equipments to make the development efficiently and accurately. We dedicated ourselves to the concept of achieve our own value after customer success. Tieliu will keep in automobile industry for long-term and running by intelligent manufacturing and services to supply safety and reliable auto parts. We keep sustainable development, pursue enterprises to maintain competitive advantages and profit growth. We engaged in developing win-win cooperation relationships together with employees, customers, investors, and cooperators. Now, Tieliu Group is working on the path of 4 strategies of transmission system manufacturing, high-precision manufacturing on new energy cars parts, intelligent services applied in supply chain for commercial vehicles, and global business. In the future, Tieliu will commit it to the goal the advanced global leading auto parts supplier.